Hi family, in today's tutorial I am going to teach you how to make mini twists yourself.
I don't really know what comes next.
Hello, I'm Gloriabel and I am here to help you learn how to make your hair yourself as well as take care of your natural hair without breaking your bank account. My tutorials are perfectly made for beginners, and if you're looking to learn how to care for your hair and how to style your natural hair yourself, then be sure to keep tuning in for more videos like this one. Thank you. To get this juicy hairstyle, all you have to do is section your hair in extremely small boxes or sizes. If you don't really care about the box, divide the hair into 3 parts, braid the roots a little, about 2 to 3 times, and twist the remaining hair down until you get to the tip of your hair. What you want to do now is twirl the ends to get, the curly ends, or to just keep the tip of your hair protected and in place so it won't unravel.
About the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired.
So split the hair into 3 parts. It doesn't have to be 4 parts. Braid the hair a little. Just braid it 2-3 times, then twist it. Just start twisting the hair all the way down, and when you get to the tip, like I said, twirl the ends, and that's it. That's what you'll be doing all through so you get to the strand of hair you have on your head. So I'm just going to let you watch and hope you learn from this tutorial and be able to do this on your own without spending money. I normally say the whole essence of this channel is to teach you how to make your hair as well as help you save some money. You understand, right?
My best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail. So depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail. So depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work.
Hey there, I hope you're enjoying this video so far, and if you are, this is a great time to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. I believe it's a great time to join the family now, don't you? Kindly give this video a thumbs up, leave comments behind if you've learned something, and of course join the family. By liking this video, YouTube will recommend this to others who want to learn how to make mini twists on their own, thereby saving them money.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth.
So don't forget to braid a little. After braiding for about 2 to 3 times, twist your hair. When you get to the end of your hair, the tip of your hair till the end, that's just it. That's everything you'll be doing. I don't want you to forget this, okay? I need you to learn, okay?
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. This is it. This is what it should be looking like when you're done making yours. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Kisses.